मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? आशु रानी,
यस मैम, आ रही है।
यस मैम।
ओके। बाकी लोग कहाँ हैं आपकी क्लास से? फाइव मिनट्स वेट कर लेते हैं ताकि और लोग भी ज्वाइन हो जाएं। आवाज तो आ रही है ना मेरी आप लोगों को?
यस मैम।
ओके। ठीक है, तो लास्ट टर्न पे हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे डेटा माइनिंग टेक्निक्स। So in yesterday class, we have discussed two data mining technique. The one is normal query tools and another one is visualization. ठीक है, तो दो टेक्निक्स हमने डिस्कस करी थी। यहाँ पे एसक्यूएल क्वेरीज क्या थी? They are used to extract the 80% of your data. Okay, and visualization are those techniques which helps to visualize the data. कि आपका डेटा विजुअल फॉर्म में जैसे भी आपको पता चलेगा उसको यूज करके आप कुछ इंटरप्रिटेशंस कर सकते हो। ठीक है, जो नेक्स्ट टेक्निक है आपकी वो लाइकलीहुड एंड डिस्टेंस। ठीक है, तो इन द लाइकलीहुड एंड डिस्टेंस व्हाट वी आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द क्लस्टर्स। व्हाट वी मीन बाय द लाइकलीहुड मीन्स दोज हु आर अलाइक मतलब जिनकी प्रॉपर्टीज सेम। ओके, and distance means and those who are at the minimum distance. Okay, so if particular point is at the minimum distance from another point, then we can say they are alike. जैसे कि अगर हम देखें कि हमारे फ्रेंड्स कैसे होते हैं, हमारे फ्रेंड्स जनरली वही लोग होते हैं जिनकी क्वालिटीज हमसे मैच कर रही होती हैं। ठीक है, तो जैसे ही आपकी क्वालिटीज होती है वैसे ही आपके फ्रेंड्स की क्वालिटी होती है। तो सेम फंडा विल अप्लाई है कि those records who are close to each other means they are having a minimum distance between one point to another point. Okay, so if the distance is minimum, so we can say they are very alike, मतलब एक जैसे हैं, उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज कैसी हैं? एक जैसी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं। ओके, एंड जो पॉइंट्स हमारे फार अपार्ट हैं, जो काफी ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे हैं, दोज हु आर फार अपार्ट, दे आर हैविंग प्रॉपर्टी वेरी लिटिल इन कॉमन। ठीक है, तो जिनसे भी अगर आपकी क्लास में बात करें कि जिनसे हमारी नहीं बनती है क्लास में, उसका मतलब क्या है कि हमारी कोई भी हैबिट्स जो है उन लोगों से मैच नहीं करती। ओके, एंड दोज आर आवर फ्रेंड्स, दे आर लाइक टू ईच अदर, उनमें सिमिलर सी प्रॉपर्टीज देखी जाती हैं। So the same thing is here in the data mining. If you have a data warehouse, data set, then if two points are closer to each other, they will represent the similar properties. Okay, So let's take the very same example that we have done in visualization. And what is the example? Here the example is we are calculating the magazine sale data on the basis of 3 fields. And what are the 3 fields? Age, income, and credit. If we look back to the previous slide, you can find out those slide. I will show you. So this is the reader and non-reader of your magazine purchases. This is the visualization where we find reader or purchaser or not purchaser. Then there is a 3-dimensional view in which 3 dimensions are there: age, credit, and income. So now the likelihood and distance, what you need to find out? You need to find out alike points, मतलब जिन वो same points हैं, depending upon the distance. Okay. तो अगर डिस्टेंस हमारा कम होगा तो वो पॉइंट्स कैसे होंगे? एक जैसे होंगे. अब उस डिस्टेंस को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए यू शुड नो द वैल्यूज कि हर उसमें क्या वैल्यूज है. तो इन तीनों एट्रीब्यूट्स को वी रिप्रेजेंट इनटू द 3-डायमेंशनल डेटा स्पेस. और 3-डायमेंशनल स्पेस में रिप्रेजेंट करने के बाद वी कैन एनालाइज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द रिकॉर्ड इन द स्पेस. ओके, जो हमारा 3-डायमेंशनल स्पेस है, इन दैट स्पेस यू आर रिकॉर्डिंग द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट. ओके, so if you suppose if the range age is like from 1 to 100 years, income is like for $0 to $1 lakh, and credit is like to $0 to $50,000. Suppose these are the ranges for the values. So if it is used without correlation, then income and credit is more distinct than the age. So better analysis, we need coding. Because if you see, all the attributes have different measurement unit. Age is measured into the years and these two are measured in the dollars. But to make all of them into the same scale, ठीक है, क्योंकि किसी के बीच में भी डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करने के लिए we need all the attribute at the same scale. To bring all the attribute to the same scale, what we do? We apply coding. Here the coding of division by 1000 is used. So we divide income, every value of income divided by 1000, every value of credit divided by 1000. If we apply this kind of coding, then all the values will rise, will come to the range up to 100. The next slide will tell you how will, these are the actual values. Suppose customer 1 has the age 32, 40,000 is the income and 10,000 is the credit value. Okay. Now for the customer 2, 24 is the age, 30,000 is the income and 2,000 is your credit. First of all, we take a difference between two. Okay. To take the difference, we just subtract 32 minus 24, we get 8 here. 40,000 minus 30,000, 10,000. And 10,000 minus 2,000 is 8,000. Now you can see the difference of age is in 8, but the income difference is 10,000 and credit difference is 8,000. Now we apply coding here. What is the need of coding? To make them into the same scale. So we divide income and credit by 1,000. As soon as we divide 10,000, we get 10 here, and we divide credit with the 1,000, we get 8 here. So now after coding, you can find out the age is now 8, income is 10, and credit is 8. So you can see all these values are lie within the same scale. If now the attribute is on the same scale, we can take the difference. Okay. So to take the difference, what we need to do? We'll take the square of the difference and take the sum of the square of the values of difference and the square root function. ठीक है? This is your equilibrium distance. ठीक है? Equilibrium distance आपने देखा होगा, 2 पॉइंट के बीच में अगर हमें डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना है तो क्या होता है? x1 minus x2 का स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 का स्क्वायर and the square root of the whole. ठीक है? This is the formula for the equilibrium distance. So what is the difference here? 8, 10 and 10. So we'll take the square of all these values, square of 8, square of 10 and square of 8. So we'll plus all these values and we'll take the square root. We'll take the square root, then the outcome is now 15 here. So this 15 is your distance from customer 1 to customer 2. Okay. So similarly in the data set, you can find any customer distance from any other customer by just taking the equivalent distance. And those customers who are having less distance, less equivalent distance, we can say these customers are common in nature. Okay. So on the basis of the distance, you can make the clusters of it. You can see there are so many points representing here, and you can see there are three-dimensional space. So if you look at any point, suppose this is the point, then you can say what are the three dimensions? One is age, one is credit, and one is your income. So all the points are represented based upon these three values. And we are calculating the distance of each point from another point. You can see those who are closer to each other, we can close them into a clusters. You can see three circles are there. These three circles are represent the close groups of customers. And those close group of customers represent the similar behavior. Like those who are having the age 32 and income 10,000 and credit 2,000, they are the magazine purchasers. And those who are having the age 80 and the income is 40,000 and the credit is 10,000, they are non-purchaser of the magazine. So this kind of evaluation can be done by the clusters. Okay. So each clusters will show your different behavior. Okay. Depending upon behavior means those who are having the similar properties. So each cluster will show you a different type of property, and all the elements which lie into the certain cluster will show a similar kind of properties. And within the clusters, that equivalent distance is minimum. All the points are closer to each other. And the point who are not lying in a certain distance are far apart to each other, and they'll show a different behavior. Different behavior means they are having different characteristics. And that's why he's not lying in a particular cluster. They are far apart and they are having different properties. So this is the meaning of the likelihood and distance. In the likelihood, you have to find out the likelihood points, and likelihood points are based upon the distance. Okay, if the distance is minimum, the points are like to each other. If the distance are far apart, the points are not alike. And based upon the likelihood, you can make a clusters. And within the clusters, all the points that lie within the cluster have the similar properties. And each cluster is separated to another cluster depending upon the properties. So that's all with your likelihood and distances. I will cover next data mining technique on the next turn. अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ लो, अदरवाइज मैं ये मीटिंग एंड कर दूंगी. Is there any problem to anyone?
No, ma'am.
बच्चों आप लोग रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं करते हो? बस म्यूट करके बैठ जाते हो फोन लेके. ऐसे क्लासेस करने से क्या फायदा है आप लोगों की कि आप लोग ज्वाइन होते हो और कुछ बोलते भी नहीं हो. At least reply in the chat box. ठीक है, तो मंडे को हम लोग नया टॉपिक आपके डेटा माइनिंग टेक्निक्स में ही हम नई टेक्निक डिस्कस करेंगे, एंड दैट विल बी द OLAP टेक्निक. That's all with today's lecture. Okay.